Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Create a Cloudinary account and copy the cloud name, API key, and secret so you can authenticate. Next, add Cloudinary Flutter and HTTP to PubSpec. YAML, and grant camera and storage permissions on Android and iOS. Then, configure secure credential handling and environment variables or secure storage, because you do not want secrets in source. Once done, write a minimal upload function signature and a simple UI button so you can test an immediate upload. You now implement the upload flow, pick or capture an image, then create a multi-part request to Cloudinary using your cloud name and upload preset, or sign requests server-side for security. Include folder and transformation parameters so images are optimized on arrival. For example, set width, crop, quality, and format. While uploading, report progress to the user and handle success and error callbacks to update state. Once complete, store the returned secure URL and CDN details for fast delivery and caching. You finish by wiring delivery and caching. Use Cloudinary CDN URLs and include versioning to force cache refresh when replacing assets. Make sure sensitive operations use signed uploads generated on your server to prevent abuse. Also integrate responsive delivery by requesting different sizes based on device pixel ratio. If things fail, first verify API credentials and upload preset settings, then check cores and permission scopes. If errors persist, log request payloads and Cloudinary responses so you can quickly identify mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.